Hello everyone, let's book an appointment for a patient who has already been registered with Myca500. When you log in as an administrator, the first screen you see is the scheduling screen. Then click on the appointment tab, and on the top right, you will find a book appointment tab. Once you click on it, you can fill in the appointment details, including the provider and visit status. You can also schedule multiple appointments for the patient on different dates if needed. After selecting the date, if the patient is coming for a new issue, you can create a new case and link the appointment to it. By clicking on the plus icon, you can create additional cases and link them as needed. This helps with case management, ensuring that if the patient has multiple cases in the future, they are well organized and easy to track. After closing the case, type the reason for the appointment. Once the appointment is booked, you can add a filter for which provider you have to see. It will appear in the appointment screen where you can make changes if needed. If the patient does not show up on the scheduled date, you can update the status to no show to keep records accurate.